We're going to try and paint a combat patrol in 12 hours, and I don't know what combat patrol I'm going to paint.
Challenge time, baby.
All will be revealed, and so will pain?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Well, it's been a hot minute since we've done a challenge, so here we are back again. This time, it's got a theme.
It's got the wide... I wish I hadn't told you this idea.
Yeah, no, this was an idea of your making, and this could make or break our friendship, our personalities, our sanities.
Relationships.
Yeah, relationships. There's a lot going on. So, basically, the basis of the challenge is as follows. We spin the Combat Patrol wheel. It's on a phone, we don't have a real life person one. I did look, they're well expensive.
Yeah, I did. I was at the £99. I was like, no.
Yeah, I was like, this is a great idea if we were rich, which we're not. So the basis of the challenge will be all of the Combat Patrols, sort of, not quite all of them, are on the wheel. We spin the wheel.
Wheel of Fortune!
Wheel of Combat Patrols. Doesn't have the same ring to it,
No.
but it's the Wheel of Power.
No!
That'll do.
You know what it is?
What is it?
It's the Wheel of Misfortune.
Wheel of Misfortune. There it is. Is it Vernon Kay that did Wheel of Fortune? Or was that All Star Family Fortune?
That's all stuff. Yeah.
Damn it, Vernon. But yeah, no, so we are doing this well in advance because that way we have some time to prep them, get them, build them, etc.,
Well,
etc.
I'm going to buy them.
Yeah, good grief.
Please don't make me buy orcs.
So there are some prefaces to this. Obviously, we've got quite a lot of armies between us already. The idea around it was so the idea was paint a combat patrol within a 12-hour span, so like our normal sort of challenge gimmick, I suppose, and then we have a combat patrol series of the armies that we are getting to play, and then we'll see how they do. Yeah, super fun.
So what we're going to do is you're going to go first because I can't handle this. You're going to push the button. You're going to see it first, and then we'll turn it round, and you then have to build it in advance, obviously.
Yeah.
And then we're going to paint that and what I draw in 12 hours. The only ones that are missing are ones for armies that we already collect because they feel...
Yeah.
It's like, I'm going to... Like, for example, Drakari. I don't need any more Drakari.
Every Space Marine one we've taken off.
Except Deathwatch.
I'll add that on.
The Deathwatch is supposed to... Well, we kind of...
I don't know. I could give or take Deathwatch, I'll be honest.
What have we got on there at the moment? No, let's just go no Space Marine.
No Space Marine. Yeah, because
I've got plenty of them already.
You've got more than enough Space Marine armies as it
So
is. We don't need any other variants.
So that includes the Dark Angels one, the Blood Angels one, the Space Wolves one.
So just to clarify, on here is still Gene Stealer Cults, Chaos Space Marines, Demons, Custodes, Orcs, Votan, Imperial Guard, Admech, Tau, Orcs, Sisters of Battle, Eldar, Tyranids, Grey Knights, Thousand Sons, World Eaters, Death Guard. There is loads on there. As a rule, realistically, we said we'd do 3 rounds of this, as in 3 separate challenges. Obviously, this will span quite a long time, I imagine.
I mean, if this does really well, there's no reason we can't try and do all of them.
Good lord.
We'll see how video reception goes.
What we are saying is that we are entitled to 1 CP reroll each. So, for example, if Kieran was to draw Imperial Guard, and he wanted a CP reroll, he cannot reroll any again. I must also address that there is Tyranids on here. The Tyranids is the Tyranids from the Leviathan box.
That's a horrible one.
Which is savage. So they're
Especially
already
if you draw it.
Well, they're already half baked already. Like, so you did half.
But
of
there's
them.
more than a combat patrol there.
There is, but you've done most of the work already. So I feel like it's fair. So we have. Please don't look at my notifications. All of the teams on here. So super exciting.
You're going first.
I'll go first. So I'll spin the wheel, I'll show it, I'll hold it up there, and then we'll have our reactions afterwards. And then ultimately, I'll decide whether I want to keep it or re-roll it. But as I mentioned, there's only 1 re-roll.
You're going to know first.
We will see. So you'll see before I do. So, you still want me to go first?
Yeah, just get it over with.
And obviously, as soon as one's been taken, comes off the wheel. So you can't have it. Right, gonna spin that wheel.
It's got sound effects.
It's got sound effects. Oh, I'm so nervous.
It's stopping!
Here we go.
I hope they can actually see it before we do. Is it stopped?
Let's see what it is. Oh no, it's Leagues of Votan.
Oh dear!
God, I hate Leagues of Votan. Let's see what's in the Combat Patrol.
Do you want a CP reroll on the first go? Get that get that energy.
God, right. So in the Combat Patrol, there is
a lot.
Yeah, it says 10 stub marines.
It's the same thing that was in the.
No, it's not. So you've got the thick boys.
Oh god, I don't like this name. CP it.
CPing it on the first go.
Do it, because I don't want to ever see any. I've painted Votan. I don't ever want to see them again. Do it. Do it for the views!
Okay, I'm spending my first and only CP on a CP reroll. So we're going to go with another spin. This is really bad. I'm so nervous after that. It was such a tragic start. Oh, please don't be Votan. Please don't be Votan. Please don't be Votan. Let's see. Gene Stealer Colts. Gene Stealer Colts. You know what? I'll take it. I will take it. Gene Stealer Colts Combat Patrol. Let's have a look. These are the ones that are sold out. Oh, there's infinitely more minis. Oh my god. Right.
I was hoping for that one. And I don't like Gene Stealer Colts.
There's a lot in there.
CP reroll.
Well, I can't. I haven't got any more. This is what I'm stuck with.
Borrow mine.
The Gene... Borrow my CP. Well, that's mine. That's Gene Stealer Colts. Done. So, I will take Gene Stealer Colts off the board, and that will be my first Combat Patrol to paint. That's going to be rough in a day.
That's horrid in a day. Well, to be fair, if you go back and watch it, you painted a Reductor Saboteur really quick.
Well, that is true. Unless I cheated and I painted them in the Warhammer Plus series scheme, as in all black and white. No, I can't do that.
Can we remove Votan from mine?
Nope, it's on there.
But I've already painted them.
Too late, it's on there.
I'm not painting them again. Just quit.
You're breaking the rules already. Right, are you ready, sir? Don't forget you've got one CP reroll. I've already spent mine, so I feel a bit bad about that, but painting Gene Stealer Colts will be fine.
Come on, world eaters.
Right.
Come on, world eaters.
Gonna spin that wheel, baby. Here we go.
Whatever it is, I don't want to paint it.
There's so much nervousness.
Stop it! Stop it!
Sisters of Battle. Do you...
I've already painted loads. I had an army.
Do you want to CP reroll? Is Sisters of Battle mid-tier? Let's see what's in the Combat Patrol.
I just don't enjoy painting them anymore. I've already had an army of them. We should have removed those from the thing.
Let's
start this whole thing again.
Challenge. Right, so you get a Penitent Engine, 10 Sisters, 3 Archiflagellants, some Repentia, some Seraphim, whatever, and a Rhino. There's quite a lot of models again. Do you want a CP? Oh, and a Canoness. Forgot about that.
Reroll it.
You're going to CP reroll? Yeah. You could get... There's a lot of worse options than Sisters.
I just really don't want to paint them.
Okay, so first go, we're expending both of our CP. The rest of these challenges are going to be rough, mate.
Yep.
Cool. All right. Fine.
I'll change my mind.
No, it's too late. You've spent it. Right. If you end up with Votan, I'll cry.
I just won't buy them. Oh, they're out of stock. They're just out of stock again. Come on, world eaters.
Right. I'm seeing. Been done
CP. I don't think I can.
Well, we're going to save some money.
No, I don't think I will.
Oh, wow.
They just won't go away.
We spoke about this before, and I said if I drew it, I don't think I'd mind because you've done all the work. But the first go.
And with a CP...
Oh, it's fantastic.
It's
fantastic.
not!
So we're painting loads of bugs. Bugs and bug people.
Oh, it's the Tyranid challenge because you've got the worst version of the Tyranids.
Yeah, it's the Hive Mind challenge. Or Combat Patrol Hive Mind edition. There's so many for you.
I'm just not going to.
Oh, mate, that's savage.
Can I move that to the last one? And I want to paint something new.
Well, at least we have.
Can I say that I'll paint that one as the last, as the third one? I just want to paint something new. I want to paint Tyranids again straight away.
You could have painted.
No, I've painted those.
Yeah, well, here we are. That is absolutely fantastic. Wow.
It's not. I don't want to paint those as the first challenge. I wanted to paint something new. I don't take an Imperial Guard over Tyranids. Again.
Oh, wow. Well, I suppose you could take some sort of solace in that they are half done.
No, because I can't remember what I was doing to them. I'm going to have to go back and watch our challenge to remember what I was trying to do to them. And how far I got. Oh, do you know what the worst thing is as well? Is I put magnets on them this weekend and put them in storage.
We spoke about it at great length of how much you disliked that challenge. And how much... So you went from having a Tyranid army in 10th edition to never wanting to paint Tyranids again. And here you are with a first challenge. What's phenomenal is you spent a CP and it was worse.
This is the worst day of my life.
That's the worst day of your life so far.
No, the next worst day will be trying to paint them again.
That's it. Phenomenal. Well,
can we do the rest of the draws so I can at least get some win?
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, because then we can order them all in one go.
No, that's not what we were doing at all.
I just want to get something new.
We'll do it episodical. Because it'll be fun.
It won't be fun, I'm telling you now.
Well, there it is. Thank you so much for joining us for this preview event. I guess you'll see us at the weekend, really.
Yeah, so this will probably come out as like a trailer.
Yeah, the preview event.
Wednesday.
Very cool.
And on Sunday, you'll see us.
We'll be doing the things, which is very cool. Christ.
So deflated now.
Yeah. Well,
when are we doing that challenge? 2026?
Yeah, something like that. This way it will be. Yeah. Thank you for joining us so much. I hope you watch it on Sunday because I'm sure it'll be an absolute doozy. If you want to watch Kieran cry for 12 hours, just do yourself a favour and paint blobs at a time.
We did that last time.
No, you didn't. You painted all carapace. You went all skin, all carapace for 12 hours, and it was demoralising.
It's demoralising thinking about doing it again.
Yeah, well, here we are.
What happens if I have a house fire and the Tyranids burn down?
I guess you'll have to buy it again.
Just to buy them again. No, because that means I'll be back at the start.
Yeah, basically.
Painting black carapace for 12 hours.
Yeah, phenomenal.
Right, I'm going to have to mentally prepare myself. You'll join us on Sunday.
See ya.